Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sherry, the TheSZMommy, and today we will be having another cooking vlog. Human is actually giving free food boxes, and one of the items on the food box are meats and produce. And for the meats, we got tons of pork and chicken patties. And then there was this one time that we missed it because we have an appointment. So my neighbor messaged me asking me if I want a portion of it because she said it was too many for them. I'm like, okay, so I'll take them. And then she gave me some of the chicken patties, and then she was also asking me like, so what other recipes I can cook with the chicken patties aside from, burger. So I thought about this recipe that I will be sharing with you, and it is the burger steak. And my inspiration with the burger steak is of course from the famous Jollibee burger steak, which I haven't had for a long time. So I'm gonna try my best to cook it, tastes like the Jollibee burger steak, but because I only have limited items in my pantry right now. We haven't gone grocery shopping. Hopefully we will do it in a few minutes because we're here in the parking lot. We're just waiting for my husband to get off from work, and yeah, so let's go ahead and start this video. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new here in my channel, please do subscribe. And for those who have been with me for the longest time, thanks so much for keeping me company, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Like and subscribe.